Hey guys, it's me, Rainbow Bacon, back with another video, and today we're just going to be trying out slime recipes with salt, because I've seen it at stuff, and just so you know, the stuff that I said in the past where my channel is going to be all about ASMR, I was wrong. I'm doing whatever I want to do for my channel, which is everything. So yeah. So anyways, oh yeah, I had this for Aloe because I'm trying now, but long story short, but I'm mixing two. First recipe we're gonna try is with some. Okay, I was just about to do the same thing, but I'm just gonna go. I'm grabbing all. Okay, guys. I'm just grabbing all the soap we have. That's not even half. Okay. Okay, guys, we have like a lot of soap, so sorry. We're gonna try out all the soap I have. I was saying great. Okay. Okay. Sorry if that's bothering me. Okay. The first one we have is this conditioner. It's Garnier Blends. So, how is it? Okay, so we have 11. So there's that one, which has water on it. So, this one which I'm going to be trying first, and I'll show you the later one. Okay. So this is a body wash. It's just like cocoa butter. That smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this because it smells so good. That was a lot. But it's like melted ice cream, but I'm adding some of this soap. This one smells really good. It smells like chocolate, and it's all natural. But I don't know why it just smells like chocolate. That's everywhere. Yeah, and like some salt. I just got salt everywhere, but hey. Okay, guys, I don't know. This is just. Okay, that's not slime. I'm gonna add all. So we have that one, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. Okay, this one's like empty. All over my hands. It's just smell nice. something happening? I can't tell. Okay guys, so that was weird. This is just not slime, so that was a fail. I'm gonna wash it. Okay. I'm just washing this off with the bathtub. Anyways, could probably get there because it was. All of them. I don't care. That's pretty good. That one was a fail. Next one, this is a 3-in-1. Yes. Spider-Man. Oh, this one's really liquidy. Yeah, so this is just I just spilled all of it. So anyways. Like there's a sink right there. Anyways, guys, that was a big fail. Anyways, this is called Body Milk. We've had this for a long time, so I don't know if this is good. Hold the mail. Okay, I was just trying to get the towel. This is shampoo. Shampoo. Blinding light. Oh, it was like that. Oh. Oh my god. But this is the best I've ever smelled. Oh my god. So anyways, guys. Something's happening, guys. Please become slime. It's slime. See my finger? See my finger? See my finger? Please, don't be a fan. Don't be an idiot. I've done a lot of mixing in that 5 seconds. Maybe we need a little more. I don't know. Please don't fail. Oh, that was a lot. Shoot. I'm in big trouble. Is it looking like slime or is it just me? No, it's just me. Anyways, guys, goodbye. Please subscribe.